enforce the law. Right, Peter? Sabi nga ng mga followers ni Peter, di ba? It is better to have a Senate President, a lawyer Senate President, than a comedy man. Kaysa sa isang komedyante. Right? But adding up the situation, di ba? Sus, sabi nga, knowledge is not about yung sasabihin na na inaral mo, grades mo, 'di ba? Yung character and integrity ng tao, hindi nakikita yan kung anong kursong tinapos mo, kung saan ka nag-aral, your diploma, right? Sabi nga we are looking high and letting them to act high and mighty because of their diplomas, because of their credentials, no? But look at the character of people, 'di ba? I was trained by my parents to respect, but I don't respect age, I don't respect position, I don't respect status. I respect a person. Kung ka-respeto ka, tatanggapin mo sa akin yan. Pero kung sa pakikipag-usap ko pa lang sa iyo, ikaw mismo wala kang